Hello guys, welcome to the video. So in this video I'm gonna show you the market structure, and also I'm gonna show you which market is going to the upside, which market is going to the downside, like which market is bullish, which market is bearish. So if you understand these things, then you know where the market is going. Are you going up or are you going down? If you are going down, so you are selling the market. If you are going up, you are absolutely buying the market. And also I'm gonna show you my yesterday trade breakdown, euro USD, that I was entered yesterday and why I get out today from this trade, because there are a lot of reasons that I want to show you. If you don't understand the market structure, you will also don't know why I get out from this trade and why I entered this trade. So let's dive into the chart. And the first one, we need to start the chart from the weekly, then the daily, and then the 4-hour. But for the first time I will show you the market structure, then after that we will dive in the time frame and I will show you from which time frame you need to see the charts. So this market, a lot of people understand that this is the bullish market. This will come low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This market is bullish. In this market, clearly it's going to the downside, it's bearish. But there is reason for that. You need to understand the higher high of the market and the higher low. So you will take two lines like this. You will place one here and you will place one here. So this is the higher high line and this is the higher low line. So whenever we broke above this line, this become the new higher high and this become the new higher low. This is so easy, self-explanatory. When we broke above, again this become higher high, this become higher low, this become higher high, this become higher low. So this is so easy. Now a lot of people will say this is the higher high. No, this is not the higher high, bro. You don't know where this market will stop. This can go up, 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 and here it can retracement. So this will become the higher high and this will become the higher low. So this is for bullish market. Now I'm gonna show you for bearish market. So easy. So you will take two lines like this. Let's suppose this is the lower low, this is the lower high. So whenever we broke to the downside, this become the lower low. In the last structure, which is this structure, this become the lower high. This will become the lower low. If you extend it like this, if you do it like this, this become the lower low, this become the lower high. Whenever we broke to the downside, it's bearish market. Whenever we broke to the upside, we are in bullish market structure. So the easiest way to you understand, you need to come to the candlestick chart. In here you need to take two lines, one line, and I'm gonna take second line. So I will place this here and I will place this here. So now we just place in a random place. We put this line in a random place. So whenever we broke to the upside, this is the higher high. This one, we put this higher high. Which will be the higher low? Is it will be this point, or this point? But I will show you in this video. This will be higher low. So when we broke to the upside, this will become higher high, and this one will become the higher low, because this is the last structure point. This is coming here. As you can see, it's not coming directly to here. It's first, the market is first coming here, and from here it's going to the upside. So whenever we broke again to the upside, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. We are now in this 2 box. What will happen? It will broke it to the upside. So this is the higher high, this is the higher low. Now what's happening here, guys? We broke to the downside, so it means this market become bearish. This will become the lower low, and this will become the lower high. Now what happened again? We broke back to the upside, so this become bullish again. This market structure is bullish now. This will become the higher high, this will become the higher low, because this is the last market structure point. As you can see, this one, this is the last market structure point. So this will become the higher low. Now again we broke to the upside, this become the higher high, this become the higher low. And here in this range we do nothing. As you can see, we are just consolidating so whenever we are between higher high and higher low and we are doing nothing, price is just doing like this, it's nothing. Like the market structure is doing nothing. A lot of people say it's consolidating, but no, it's a bullish market. Yes, price is consolidating, but we are in bullish market structure. So when we broke back to the downside, this will become the lower low and this will become the lower high. So you understand what I'm talking about, guys. And whenever you understand this, that we are in bullish market or are we in bearish market, so you can catch a lot of trades. So in this strategy I'm gonna show you, you need just 2 time frame in sync to take the trades. Either you need weekly or daily bullish, or you need daily or 4-hour bullish, like 2 consecutive time frame in sync. You need weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4-hour bearish, or 4-hour bullish, doesn't matter, just 2 time frame in sync. Like in this trade that I was come to the weekly. As you can see, the weekly is clearly bullish, it's clearly bullish. This become the higher high and this become the higher low. So we are in bullish market structure. We come to the daily. The daily, as you can see, we are bearish. This was the higher high, this was the higher low. We broke to the upside, this become the higher high, this become the higher low. And what happened? We broke to the downside, this become the lower low, this become the lower high. We are bearish in daily. Then I come to the 4-hour. I was looking here to the 4-hour, and guys, look at that. This was the lower low, lower high, this was the lower low. We broke down, so this will become the lower low, this will become the lower high, because this is the last market structure point. What happened again? We broke again to the downside, this become the lower low and this become the lower high. At this point, this thing was not happened, just it was, the market was here. So I was looking for my entry signal, and here, as you can see, here I take this trade and I was up a lot. I mean 1 to 2, I was up until here, kind of 1 to 2, yeah. But I closed the market because of some reason. I was looking to catch my first TP was 1 to 2 and my second TP was here, which is 1 to 7.5. But I get out because the market become bullish. If it was creating like this kind of market, I will never get out from this trade. But here, as you can see, this market was bearish from these 2 points. I enter this trade. Then here we become bearish, as you can see, lower low, lower high. So I was expecting that this market will just retracement like this, and it will go to the downside. But the market broke this structure point, it become the lower low, and this one become the lower high, because this is the last structure point. And we broke to the upside. So when we broke to the upside, what will this market do? This will come retest this structure point back, and this will go start creating higher high and higher low. So I don't want to be the part of this retracement. I just want clear market structure to the downside like this. So because of this reason, I get out from this trade and I didn't lose no money. I won so little, which is fine. I'm okay with that. And I will look for new trades because we have a lot of time. This is the market, it will give us more opportunities. So this is, guys, the breakdown of this trade, and I was also show you the market structure. If you have some problem in this video that you don't understand the market structure, tell me. I will do the video again and I will explain it again so simply. It's so simple, everyone can understand. And also, if you are new here in this video, I have my free Telegram. I give free signal. This signal I was also give. A lot of people was get out from here because it was 1 to 2. My first target was here, so a lot of people, when they see this rejection, they get out from this trade. But I was hold it due to some reason, because I was want to hit TP2, but it didn't happen, which is okay, it's no problem. So if you want to join my free Telegram, I will put the link not in the description because this is the new channel and YouTube don't allow me to. I put my link to the description, but I will put it in the YouTube bio kind of. So you can go in my YouTube channel, you can see in the YouTube description there will be the Telegram link and you can join. There will be a lot of free information for you guys about the strategy and also about the entry signals. You can take trade and you can secure the bags with me. So see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you. Bye.